In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Instagram carousel in Crello 2025 guide. Crello, now known as Vista Create, makes it easy to design scroll-stopping carousels that boost engagement and tell a clear story. We'll walk through the full workflow from setting your canvas to posting on Instagram with practical tips to keep everything clean and consistent. Start by heading to vistacreate.com. Log in or create a free account using Google, Facebook, or your email. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard where all your designs live. This gives you quick access to templates, brand tools, and your project pages. Next, choose the right canvas size. Click Create Design and search for Instagram Post. Select Square, 1080 by 1080 pixels, which is the safe all-purpose choice. If your audience prefers a taller look and you want more screen real estate, pick Portrait, 1080 by 1350. Either way, keep key text away from the very edges to avoid accidental cropping in the Instagram feed. Now, design the first slide, which is your hook. This slide must grab attention fast. Add a clear headline, an eye-catching image or graphic, bold readable text, and a single message. Short, punchy lines work best. Try hooks like 5 mistakes killing your sales, stop posting like this, or swipe for the strategy. Keep contrast high and make sure the main headline is the true focal point. Add the rest of your slides by clicking Add Page at the bottom. For a consistent look, duplicate the first layout and swap the content on each page. Follow a simple carousel formula. Start with a hook, then highlight the problem, present your solution, share tips or value, and close with a call to action. Keep each slide focused on one idea so viewers want to keep swiping. Design consistency is crucial. Use the same fonts, color palette, and margins throughout and align elements carefully. If you have access to a brand kit, apply your brand colors and typefaces, turn on guides and grids to keep spacing even, and copy and paste recurring elements to lock in a cohesive style. Create a dedicated call to action slide at the end. Examples include save this post, comment yes if helpful, follow for daily tips, or DM me start. A clear CTA prompts engagement and signals what you want viewers to do next. When you're done, click download, choose PNG for high quality, and make sure all pages are selected. You'll receive separate images for each slide. Finally, open Instagram, tap the plus icon, choose multiple images, arrange them in the right order, and post. You're all set.